In this section, we will focus on user and group management in Issabel. By default, the only existing user is admin and no extension is associated with them. To create a new user, click on Create New User. For example, for the login, you can use an easy-to-remember name. Then, choose a password. You will notice that 3 default groups are available: operator, administrator, and used extension. When creating a user, if you try to assign an extension while none exists, you will receive an error. However, this error does not really affect the system. Once you have finished and clicked on Save Used Extension, you will see that the user has been created, but without an associated extension. Now let's move on to the topic of group management. As we mentioned earlier, there are 3 default groups. If you want to create a new group, click on Create New Group. Give it a name, for example Test, and a description such as Used for Demos. After clicking on Save, your group will be created. You will then see the name of the group, the description, and the associated permissions. Regarding permissions, the administrator has full access to the system, while the operators and used extension users have more limited permissions. For the test group that we just created, no permissions are defined yet. To add permissions, click on the plus button. For example, you can allow this group to manage tasks, access system logs, modify network settings, create users, create groups, and assign permissions to other groups. After selecting the desired permissions, click on Save. You will see that the permissions have been successfully added. That's all for today's video. In our next video, we will see how to create extensions and make calls between them. Thank you for watching and see you soon for our next video. The largest stock of VoIP with dozens of brands. With us, you will find what fits your budget and needs. And most importantly, everything comes with a warranty on the equipment and installation.